enjoying this fight?
Yes, because I think if I woke up and there was no challenge in my life, I would think it's the end of my life.
जब तक आपका कप्तान खौफजदा नहीं तो आपको किसी से डर है?
You only lose when you give up.
A Muslim is not born to give up. If he is forced to be enslaved, he'll become Babar. He'll emerge as Sultan Tipu. He'll happily embrace martyrdom, but he'll not accept slavery.